హలో, ఇక్కడికి వచ్చిన పెద్దలకు పిల్లలకు అందరికీ ఉగాది శుభాకాంక్షలు. మాకు టైం కేటాయించిన కాగో టీంకి చాలా థ్యాంక్స్. బికాస్ everybody is hungry, I'm going to take very few minutes, keep it very short and sweet and explain why I'm here, why the whole team is here, what are we here for and what we are doing. మనం ప్రేమించే మన భారతదేశానికి మనం ఎంత దూరం ఉన్నా, వేల మైళ్ళ దూరాలు ఉన్నా కూడా మనము మన మనస్సు ఇంచుల దూరంలో ఉంటుంది. ప్రతిరోజు మన భారతదేశం నుంచి మనం ప్రతిరోజు అనుకోని రోజులతో ఉండదు. మన భారతదేశం ఫేస్ చేస్తున్న చాలా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్లో ఒక ప్రాబ్లం గురించి మేము మాట్లాడబోతున్నాము. ఈ ప్రాబ్లం చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ ప్రాబ్లం which has not been given higher priority by different organizations or even the government. So the problem that I'm talking about is the school dropout, which is very, very high in rural India. So the Big Help is an organization that has been started in 2002. How to resolve this problem? How to solve the problem of school dropout and create interest in rural India for kids to go back to the school system. So basically 2002లో ఈ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ స్థాపించబడింది. గత 10 సంవత్సరాలుగా ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్లో 20 జిల్లాలకు పైగా 22-23 జిల్లాల్లో మా యొక్క ప్రాజెక్టులు చాలా నడుస్తున్నాయి. Over 8,500 kids have been got help directly from this organization. Some of the main programs that this organization is conducting is Sponsor a Child. This is a very, very, very interesting and very helpful to solve the problem of school dropout. Basically, ఈ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ చేస్తున్న ప్రాజెక్ట్స్లో over 1,000 kids got help through the Sponsor a Child program. Sponsor a Child program will cost a donor $132 a year. It's just $132 a year, but it's going to change somebody's life back home. This organization is focusing only in rural India who are going to public schools and who are dropping out of the school because they don't have money. Economically, they are very, very poor. So how to help them and put them back into the system? That's why the Sponsor a Child program has been started by this Big Help organization. With that $132, what it gives to the kid? Basically, year మొత్తానికి కావాల్సిన school supplies. At the same time, we'll be sending them to the tuition. Because definitely, పూర్గా ఉన్న వాళ్ళు స్కూల్ డ్రాప్ అవుతుందంటే they are not able to keep up in the system and make good scoring within the class. So basically, how to help them అన్న ఆలోచనతో ఈ ప్రోగ్రాంలో ఆ $132 can give a lot to the kid. So we'll be sending to the tuition. Along with that, we'll be giving 2 pairs of dresses, 1 pair of shoe, and every month the family will be given like a 5 kg of rice, dal, all the basic essentials, so that the kid is not a burden to the parent. They don't have to take that kid out of the school system and then send him to the work. That is the basic reason why we are started this organization back in 2002, and we started this chapter, Orlando chapter, like 2 months back. And I would request every one of you, go to the bighelp.org, bighelp.org. It is a very, very transparent organization. You can see all the kids that have been sponsored through this program. You can see every detail about them. The handwritten request from the kid, from their parents, and how they are doing within the schools, within the academic career. You can see their scorecards, how they are scoring in the half-year exams, yearly exams. The reason why we are able to do this is because we are bringing even the school system, basically headmaster or the principal within the school, also into this process. That's why we are going to provide every information about that kid. So basically, the organization started, Orlando chapter we started like a few months back. But next Saturday, in one of the Windermere Elementary School, we are doing a spelling and math bee for kids in Orlando. We already have a very high RSVP has already been, kids have joined this, and we have very few spots left. So I would request one and all of you to go through the website and then, send your kid. It's not the winning is not the important, but just having the participation and creating competition within our kids. The reason we are doing is we are not just coming to ask for help. We want to associate our organization with you guys. That's why we are, apart from asking for donations or sponsor a chair or adapt a school, we are doing this to associate ourselves with you. So please go to this bighelp.org site, and if you have any questions, you can call any of the numbers available. You can click on top of the link website. You can click Orlando event, then that will take you to the RSVP site. And if you have any questions, feel free to call one of the numbers available. You can email to orlando.bighelp.org. We'll respond to you immediately. So with that, thank you all for your time. I know you guys are very hungry. Please support this organization. And actually, I want to say one more thing. Even though we are very new organization in Orlando, this organization is there for last 10 years. But when we reached out to business community within Orlando for this sponsorship for the event, around 12 sponsors came forward. Even though some of the business may not get any direct help by sponsoring the event, but they want to support this noble cause that Big Help is doing. So please come and join us, even if your kid is not, at that age, but you can just join us and support us. Thank you all. Thank you, Tago.